Hello, I am Ram Gopal from presentationprocess.com. In this edition of PowerPoint Diagrams tutorial series, you will learn how to create creative guideposts in PowerPoint. The guideposts that I would like to talk about are these. Sometimes when you make long presentations, it is quite easy for your audience to lose track of the presentation flow structure. In such cases, it helps to have these simple guideposts to make them aware of where they stand in the given presentation flow, what has been covered earlier, and what can be expected to be covered for the rest of the presentation. It is quite easy to create these guideposts. Let me show you how to do this from scratch by going to a new slide. The first thing is to go to Auto Shapes menu. You can pick up any shape to create the guidepost. I'm going to create the guidepost using a simple rectangle structure. Now let me write your text here. So this is going to be one of the section titles. Then I can make copies of this. Make as many copies as there are number of section headers. Now select them all together and place them at the bottom edge of your slide. Make sure that you separate these guideposts from the main body content by drawing a line, which is a good practice, so that this one doesn't disturb the flow. Now all you need to do is to make sure that all these guideposts are of the same color, and let me do that for you. So now let me use black color and no outline, and highlight only that section which you're presenting about. So in this case, let me say this one is the section that you're talking about, and this is all you need to do to create guideposts for your presentation. You can come up with some creative variations by altering the shape of the guideposts, and let me show you some example guideposts taken from our PowerPoint CEO packs. And these are the examples. These also can be called as breadcrumbs. When you visit a website, these breadcrumbs tell you where exactly you've reached in the site structure. The same way, these breadcrumbs in presentation help you understand where you are in the presentation structure. Let me show you some more variations of the breadcrumbs or guideposts in PowerPoint. These are some examples, and we have created these using a circle, and we have used union shape here. Here we have created using pentagon and chevron shapes. There is no set way in which you need to create these guideposts. You can come up with your own creative variation. These are some other examples, and these are some more examples. These are the tabs that you can use at the top edge instead of at the bottom edge. And if you're a busy business presenter who doesn't have the time to create such guideposts for your presentation, you can always take a look at off-the-shelf solutions like our PowerPoint CEO Packs Volume 1 and 2. The two CEO packs have more than 1,600 fully editable charts and graphics for CEOs and busy business presenters like you. We have made sure that every design element that you would require to make top-class business presentations are included as part of the two CEO packs. You just need to choose the template that matches your thought and replace the sample text with your own text. And creating professional quality business slides has never been easier. Hope you liked our tutorial on creating guideposts in PowerPoint. If you want to learn more such tutorials, watch videos, or read articles, please visit us at presentationprocess.com. And thanks a lot for watching the video, and happy presenting.